maximum and minimum value of a function in a closed interval. Consider a function f given by f of x is equal to x plus 3 for all x belongs to the open interval 0, 1. This function is continuous on open interval 0, 1 and neither has a maximum value nor has a minimum value. We may also note that the function even has neither a local maximum value nor a local minimum value. However, if we extend the domain of f to the closed interval 0, 1, then f still may not have a local maximum value or minimum value, but it certainly have the maximum value f of 1 is equal to 4 and minimum value f of 0 is equal to 3. The maximum value 4 of f at x is equal to 1 is called absolute maximum value or global maximum value or greatest value of f on the closed interval 0, 1. Similarly, the minimum value 3 of f at x is equal to 0 is called the absolute minimum value or global minimum value or least value of f on the closed interval 0, 1. Consider the graph of the function defined on a closed interval a, d. It is clear that the function is continuous in the closed interval a, d. The function f has local minima at x is equal to b and local maxima at x is equal to c, and its local minimum and maximum values are f of b and f of c respectively. It is clear from the graph that f has absolute maximum value f of a and absolute minimum value f of d. We can also note that the absolute maximum or minimum value of f is different from local maximum or minimum value of f. Now, based on this observation, let us state two theorems regarding absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of a function on a closed interval I. Theorem: let f be a continuous function on an interval I which is equal to closed interval a, b, then f has the absolute maximum value and f attains it at least once in the closed interval I. Also, f has the absolute minimum value and attains it at least once in I. Theorem 2. Let f be a differentiable function on a closed interval I and let c be any interior point of I. Then f dash of c is equal to 0 if f attains its absolute maximum value at c, and again f dash of c is equal to 0 if f attains its absolute minimum value at c. Based on the above results, we have the working rule for finding absolute maximum or absolute minimum values of a function in a given closed interval a, b. Working rule. Step 1. Find all critical points of f in the interval. That is, find points x where either f dash of x is equal to 0 or f is not differentiable. Step 2. Take the end points of the interval. Step 3. At all these points, calculate the values of f. Step 4. Identify the maximum and minimum values of f out of the values calculated in the previous step. This maximum value will be the absolute maximum value of f and the minimum value will be the absolute minimum value of f.